Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the red rainbow friend from Rainbow Friends. And I'm going to start drawing this character with the eyes. So I'm going to do a slanted oval on one side, and on the other side, same thing, only it's slanting the other way. So next I'm going to do a curve, another oval on the inside, and same over here. And then I'm going to color this in all black. And same over here. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to connect these two shapes with a little curve here for the top of the head. Next, we're going to do a little curve underneath, and same over here. And right here, we can kind of, not really a curve, but more of a straighter line. Now we can do a little triangle shape. It's upside down triangle. Well, I guess really it's like a V shape, and color that in all black. And next we can do the rest of that, which is the tie. So two lines slanting downward and then another V shape, and then that's going to go black. So next thing for our drawing is a little line here and a little line here for some shoulders. And now right here we can bring down a line, and same on this side. And over here we can do a line slanting, and same on that side. And then we can come inward on both sides, and then we can do another line, and it kind of hits this point here, and then we're going to go back down. So we got triangle here. So same on the other side. All right, so now we can do a line coming down here. This is the start of the arm, and one coming down this way. And now we can do a little curve, well, not curve, sorry, a little line here for the end of the sleeve. Bring a line up, same over here. And now I'm going to bring this line down, 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 down. Same over there, same right here, same right here. Now, right here, I can do a line, and we'll come up this way and do a little upside down V. Now here at the end of the sleeves, we can do a hand. So we'll just do just a little round shape. Same over here, just a little rounded, little curved shape. And we can do a little line here and another one. Same over here. And next, let's do a little straight line here and bring it down. Same over here, straight line, bring it down. Okay, so that's our sketch, and now I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished drawing the red rainbow friend. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I love having you here, and hope you have a great day, and hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.